Yep, that happened. Yo, what's up guys? Sorry I haven't really posted any videos this week of me vlogging because I've been kind of busy editing the actual edit for Andy Sleigh Day, which was fucking sick. Got a lot of sick tandems in. And met a lot of cool people. Shout out to anyone who came to say what's up and grabbed a sticker. That was really cool. Appreciate the support. I got our sticker on like 6 or 7 cars out there, so that was pretty badass. I'm glad people are down to rep Let's Drift Media. That makes me really happy.
Oh, it is? Happy birthday. Yeah.
But since I'm home right now, I guess I will show you some of the aftermath, some of the damage that went down at Andy Sleigh Day. So right here, the whole bumper pretty much got trash. I lost that piece and then I ran it over. This, I guess I transitioned too soon in front of Angel, also known as Red S14 with his SR20 S14. And I guess he was hungry. He took a nice bite out of my bumper. But you know, fuck it. That's drifting. I'm not too worried about it. This bumper was free. So I can't repair it obviously since I don't have the other piece, so I'm probably just gonna run it like this unless I find a deal on another one. But I don't really care that much. I am just bummed because it was painted, and if I get another one I'm gonna have to repaint it, but that's no big deal. Paint's still shiny. Went through 6 tires, still have this set left. I was busy filming a lot, so I didn't have to burn these much, so I still got those for next time. Definitely need to raise my front ride height a bit, because when I was hitting that main entry, I was rubbing in here pretty sick. I would just hear it rubbing up in the well. So these are blown Godspeed coilovers, so I'm just gonna have to go a little bit higher to stop rubbing. All in all, not a bad weekend of drifting. 2-day event. Oh, also got this cool little sticker right here. That shit's sick. But not bad. I had a lot of fun out there. Shout out again to Andy for hosting the event. I got a bunch of sick tandems in. Didn't really fuck on my car too bad, so I'm pretty happy about that. And I didn't vlog too much because I was filming and focusing on just trying to drive and film. So I'll show you guys kind of what I did record coming up. Me and Stan finally got to tandem. It's been forever, and our car's like fucking sick as fuck together. Blue and yellow really complement each other, and we're drifting with our boy JP, so we have blue, yellow, and red, the 3 primary colors. So it was a little coincidence, but it looked really cool on the track. And it was really sick too because we all have KAs, so a lot of people were like confused and they were like, what the fuck, like you guys have KAs? And we're like, yeah. So don't underestimate the KA, guys. That shit can put in work if you know what you're doing. But that's basically it for the aftermath. I'll go ahead and cut to the actual Sleigh Day video right now. Yo, morning guys. Today is Drift Day. My Let's Drift Media shirt on, looking like a little bumblebee. But pretty excited to go film today and drive my car on the track. I didn't really sleep much last night. My damn cats kept crying. It was all your fault! So pretty excited also because this will probably be the last time we get to go to Grange under the old ownership, since they did get bought out by some new owners and rules are probably going to get a lot more tight. So hopefully things don't get too bad, but we will see. But this might be the last time it's like this at Grange. Alright, so we're on that famous dirt road, and my car broke down. Just getting to Grange right now. We got Maya behind us. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day of drifting. Alright, we're about to do a couple runs out here. It is fucking cold as fuck. Can't even feel my hands. Got gloves on. Somebody just spilled oil on the track, so they cleaned it up. I think somebody else just got stuck right now, of course, right before I go out. So we're just gonna wait. Got a couple of footage, or got a couple of runs, I mean, in my car. I'm gonna walk around the outside of the track now, go do some filming. But pretty good turnout here. There's a lot of cars, shit ton of seat time. Tomorrow's gonna be even crazier, because I guess that's when majority of drivers are coming. So I'm gonna walk around now, go get some footage from the outside of the track. Still fucking cold. Can't feel my face, guys. We're right here at the corner of the track. A lot of good action goes down right here. Not that many people out right now. I think they're out switching tires and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna post up right here until more cars come out. That's it for today's tires. Popped my only set. I'm gonna save the other 6 for tomorrow. Not bad. Not bad. it was a pretty good day. Super cold. Tomorrow we're gonna go back and definitely bring some warm weather clothes, gloves, face masks, because we're fucking freezing our dicks off. But I only went through one set, so I wanted to save my other 6 spares for tomorrow since all the homies are gonna be there. But all in all, good day. Passed out a couple stickers. Yeah, sorry I didn't vlog too much. Kind of, I don't like vlogging like in public. It's still a little weird to me. But until next time, guys, peace!